Good morning, trig class. Just a little quick review. This problem right here that we're looking at. When it comes to amplitude, this negative has nothing to do with the amplitude. It would reflect the graph. It would look like it's flipped upside down, but this has nothing to do with the amplitude. The amplitude here is 3. This 2 has nothing to do with the amplitude. The amplitude is 3. This 5 has nothing to do with the amplitude. The amplitude is still 3. When it comes to the period, this out front has nothing to do with the period. This at the end has nothing to do with the period. If I were to add in here a plus 45, that would have nothing to do with the period. The period is 360, and you would do the opposite. I want to go back to where we were. And you do the opposite of times in by 2. You divide by 2. The period would be pi, or 180 degrees. So for in degrees, it'd be 360 divided by 2. It would be pi, 180. And if it was in radians, sorry about all this. If it was in radians, you would divide by 2. It would be just pi. So the period is only affected here. The amplitude is only affected here. So if it's a basic test question that says, what is the amplitude of this, you would ignore this 2 and this 5, the negative, just the 3. And if it was to ask me the period, you would then ignore everything except that 2. And if we have a problem y equals the tangent of x, the period of that is 180, and then those up and down lines are called asymptotes. The up and down dotted lines that the graph does not quite get to are called asymptotes. All right, there's a little quick review.